If you need to export multiple photos in Lightroom quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to export several photos at once in Lightroom Desktop without wasting time exporting them one by one. This is perfect whether you're organizing a full shoot, sending client previews, or just backing up your edits in a clean, easy way. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tips just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Lightroom Desktop and go to All Photos or open the album where your images are saved. This is the best place to start because you need to select the photos you want to export from your library. Now, to select multiple photos, you have two simple options. If you want to choose specific images one by one, hold down Control on Windows and click each photo you want. If you want to export everything in the folder or album, just press Control-A to select all the photos at once. Once your photos are selected, look to the top right corner and click Share. After that, click Export from the menu. This opens the export settings, where you can control how your files will be saved. Next, choose your file settings. In most cases, JPEG is the best option if you want a high-quality image that's easy to share and open on almost any device. Then, adjust the quality setting. A value between 80 and 100 is usually ideal if you want a good balance between file size and image quality. If you're exporting for web use, social media, or client previews, this range works really well. You can also adjust the size depending on what you need. If you want full-resolution images, keep the original size. If you need smaller files for uploading online, lower the dimensions as needed. After that, choose the folder or location where you want the exported photos to be saved. This is important so you can easily find them later. Once everything looks good, click Export. Lightroom will now export all of the selected photos together in one batch, which saves a ton of time compared to exporting them individually. And that's it. You've successfully exported multiple photos in Lightroom Desktop using just a few simple steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.